Kublai Shibnai Fibro, kajing tip nam ta kubor Laitkam, te don kam kebedai jong kinos, ki Laitkam ba lais pa arpsan tadi ebro. Te kat kum kan notice, kane mensual adap advertise, te menta ki I advertise being such sin, re-advertisement, la pelaju praterik Julai arjar sao. The Directorate of Health Service, Meghalaya Shillong, invites online application from the candidate who are domiciled of the state of Meghalaya recruitment to the 325 post live post of staff nurse on contractual basis contract to be engaged in fast referral unit and critical care unit for a period of 11 months initially and to be extended based on performance and needs kadai khatwai banai tela aban extend biang based on performance. Candidate have to apply online kan mau pihak ban apply online pihak ban link hakan ke website machealth.gov.in kan mau pihak link yang tu kalau don kan link machealth.gov.in and can apply with effect nadu pratarik kan mau pihak ban apply nadu pratarik mana Julai arjarap sau ka last date submission online application form kadai khasan tarik Julai pra hadu khasan kadai ka last date kan mau ban apply rapi kwah application received through any other mode will not be accepted. Kan David online. District wise break up. Tel ai lagi jong district. Kat kumki number of posts. Is Garo Hill Arpsau. Is Khas Hill South R. Not Garo Hill Kat Nreu. Ribhoy Arpnyau. South Garo Hill Kat Pra. Southwest Garo Hill Kat Pra. Southwest Khasi Hill Arp Khandai. West Garo Hill Laipnyau. West Jainti Hill, Sanpui, West Khasi Hill, Lai Po, Eastern West Khasi Hill, Lai Hulai. The Gine district wise break up junky number of posts no. In hap tap shop to bari na to district hi. Tang da pom don tap di going. Te kan mau ka minimum qualification kadem debe BSc nursing lane GNM. Ne fa BSc nursing lane GNM from recognized institution by Indian Nursing Council. Applicant should be registered under Meghalaya Nursing Council. Kasnem kadai khat pradu arpnyau as on 1/1/2024. Namta ki skill tried pada relaxable by 10 years. Temud bagan dai khat pradu live ho nyau snem. Tulop fix kadai bet live ho hajar Shibnai. Te pule bhai kini instruction phab register nalade hapoka website machealth.gov.in kan mau ada iaktei sampai yang tu. Dan kiba dah register, sulit bidrang tu ki login dan lek Laitkam. Candidate must follow the instruction kan balawatai have follow bigumta I mobile number, I email number, kumta tarter, when your UTP, they have to enter OTP receive on the registered mobile number. Ka fees kare sans pa ating kamo. Fees payable by candidate is 500. Admit card of the appearance can be downloaded from the website. The layo admit card have download hi na po website hi have check hi man ka po na po website ban tip. Date, time and duration of the venue for the written examination will be intimated in the admit card of the candidate. Eboro ki detail ka po ka jaka ki eboro ke sa top ha po admit card. The last date or the date for the written examination will be held on the 27 July. Arpunyo tarik July arjar sau kadai ka exam written examination namta kane ka post top nos tehngnel adap ailut ki marks ki baro hangnel ada batai ki instruction ki baro kumno ki I marks. The successful candidate will be determined purely on merit kan page bilaga merit basis be te kine ki marks bade kat kum experience ka jong fi length of working experience government or private 7 years and above 10 marks 5 to 7 7 marks 3 to 5 5 marks 2 to 3, 3 marks. Up to 2 years, 1 mark. Working experience during COVID-19 pandemic only in government institution. 2 years and above, 15 marks. 1 to 2 years, 10 marks. Up to 1 year, 5 marks. Working experience ICU, OT, LR, NBSU only in government institution. 4 years, 10 marks. 2 to 4 years, 7 marks. Up to 2 years, 5 marks. Yakini kemudian ba, kin at lang barka marks kwa pila exam kan plus barkane. And the weightage of the mark you from the following parameter as declared by the candidate during the process of submission of application form indicated below. Kins I inner experience ka jong fi. Kan mau ban check bah. The total maximum marks for final selection is 100 kadai sispa mark out of which 65 mark is for written examination. Kan mau rupsan mark kadai naga written examination ka phia ban to exam ka batam pada kadai naga experience. and 35 mark is for duration of years of experience. Masa plus lang kata total kada 6 mark te phio kano naga jingto exam but naga no experience. The post of district above will be filled up by the candidate belonging to the particular district. Một kitu gibere na tuka district ki can tap de kitu hiswa tang ada bomdon de sa tap de giwe. Pihak apa pendap application form pihaban declare kata ba pide na kata district. In case there are no eligible candidates from the particular district, then the vacant post of that district will be filled by candidate from amongst the general merit list. Final selection for the post will be subject to verification. Have verify the document, ki ibro ki document go biang, ki experience go biang, then bisa yo ya ka final selection benda. Document of original to be produced during fiscal verification, valid registration certificate under Miklan Nursing Council, birth certificate and SSLC admit card, shell tribe, experience certificate, voters ID, market page nakane, pide naga district ayu. Then center for written examination kan debit nasional, kibana tura. The successful candidate eligible for recruitment will have to adhere to the result will be displayed on the website. Result happen be napo website ban napo local newspaper. Any candidate who may face any technical error, mau lada don't face technical error, hakapor ba submit online application. Pila aban reach out hakine email bal ahne DHS MINUR nursing recruitment @gmail.com. Te kita kibu kwah aban apply select abon kam like hapo ke website makehealth.gov.in. Te page hang tu page choi kan instruction ru lada pi kwah aban page te pulai shwa lada dep sa pendap online yang tu hi. Then apa dai kasni bentuk exam. Te jing tip bani baro penjo bain napo ke website chi lada dai kan admit card na dai result ru penjo bain napo admit card jong website makehealth.gov.in. Thank you ni jing tip. Chule shibun.